Do you have a tax check burning a large hole in your pocket? Are you attracted to girls that think Luke Bryan is actually country music? Do you want to look like a badass without actually having to be one? Then I've got the truck for you. Party people! Time to cowboy up! 1, 2, 3. To the left, to the left, to the right, now forward and back. Shake your hips just like that. There's about 26 inches of lift. Look at this fender gap. It's ridiculous. This damn thing has a sunroof. You can hang out the window screaming Luke Bryan lyrics all you want.
Somehow we managed to pay for the world's most expensive detail and never once touched underneath the hood.
It's got a crazy loud stereo system. It's all factory Bose.
I don't know why I took the time to cut this bumper nice.
We ended up screwing up the liner anyway. The interior is beautiful. Fresh leather seats, just got detailed.
If for some strange reason you actually end up in this back seat to get laid, the girls are going to be so impressed because they're going to believe your penis is so small that anything you whip out is going to be an improvement. It's a real deal.
We only have steps in the front, because fuck anybody getting in the back.
There's a fancy Diablo Sport tuner that takes this Tahoe right here up to about 400,000 horsepower. Not enough to break the 4L60, but enough to get this thing moving.
The acceleration is wild!
With only 114,000 miles, this 5.3 is barely broken in yet.
It's important to know that even though it looks like it never goes off-road,
It's got some dents. It's got some scrapes.
the man had kids. They were definitely beating this damn thing up. Rear climate control? No way. 35, 12, 5, R20. We got the 20s on this bad boy.
The best part is, you can buy this entire truck for the low price of $16,999. Go get a loan. Nobody has to know you're paying 23% interest over 7 years to drive this bad boy. They're not going to care when you pull up.
I have actually towed with this thing before, and this 14-inch drop hitch does the job wonderfully. Every time I look, I find some little more marks of love, is what I'm going to call them. You know that girl you're trying to pick up has some friends. Throw them in the back.
It just got a fresh oil change, so it's ready for any road trip. I know we had some fun with this one, guys, but it is actually for sale. It's my best friend's truck, and if you guys want any more information or figure out how you can buy this thing, reach out to us. I'll put you in contact. We'll make you a hell of a deal. Get it out of my driveway. Just like